In today's video, I'll show you how to add an animated number counter to your Wix website. Animated counters are a powerful way to showcase key stats like total clients, projects completed, downloads, or milestones, all while making your page feel more dynamic and engaging. To begin, open your browser and visit Elfsight. Elfsight offers ready-made widgets and their number counter is perfect for this purpose. Once you're on the number counter page, you'll see a live configurator where you can fully customize the counter. This includes choosing the numbers, labels, animation style, font size, colors, and layout. Take a moment to adjust the design so it matches your website branding. Try to keep your color palette consistent with your Wix theme so the counter looks like a natural part of your site, not an add-on. You can also preview the animation in real time to see how it will look to visitors. When you're happy with the setup, click the option to generate the installation code. This will give you an embed code, which is what allows the counter to appear on your Wix page. Copy this code carefully without changing anything. Next, head over to your Wix dashboard and open the Wix editor for the site where you want to add the counter. Click the Add button, then go to Embed Code and choose Embed a Widget. Paste the Elfsight embed code into the field provided and apply it. Once added, you can drag the counter anywhere on your page and resize it to fit your layout. Place it somewhere visible, like near your hero section, statistics area, or just above a call to action, so it grabs attention without overpowering the rest of your content. And that's it. You've successfully added an animated number counter to your Wix website. This small visual upgrade can make a big difference in credibility and engagement by clearly highlighting your achievements. Thanks for watching. And feel free to check out more Wix customization tutorials to level up your website even further.